Let's get started with this tutorial. Here we have the base layout, storage, counters along the wall, the hob and sink in place, an island counter, cozy ceiling lights. First, let's set the scene. Adjust view angle. Enable 2-point perspective. With the help of the grid, let's align the scene. Smooth quality helps in easy navigation. Set everything to defaults for a working scene, which you can switch often. Let's work on the scene lighting. This is the only source of natural light, with cove lights all around the ceiling. Lighting is primary for realism. I'm enabling the environment light to create a soft daylight feel. Make the cove light material emissive and give it a warm temperature. Similarly, make the pendant lights emissive. Add strip light over the counter and below the island counter. This combination of light keeps the space both functional and welcoming. Adjust temperature and brightness. Now, let's give our kitchen a realistic touch with materials. Texture paint for wall. white for ceiling, counter, and storage. We can fine-tune the settings for the materials to appear like matte laminate texture. Apply glass texture to lights. When it comes to materials, I like to experiment a lot before locking in the final look. It is all about tweaking and swapping until everything clicks. This way, it's story-driven and lets you see that finding the perfect look is a process. I've finally found a perfect catch. Details make the scene come alive. I'm adding few plants, cutlery, and furniture. The decor should feel natural, not overdone, so it looks lived in, yet neat. To finish, I'm enhancing the scene. A bit of depth and adjusting brightness. Sometimes a texture might look great on its own, but feels out of place in the scene. You can correct it anytime. The scene keeps evolving. That completes our tutorial. Catch you in the next one!